Birney Robert, and we are in downtown Atlanta at the Ginn Hotel. Extension of nature really was thinking about this time where the digital is so prevalent and we're always looking at screens, thinking about nature and getting outside and how can we live sustainably with the digital and technology in this environment. This exhibit is split up into 4 themes. We have plants and seeds, we have plastic and waste, we have imaginary environments, and relationships. These themes popped up organically, using these billboards to uplift the natural and send a message through the digital to talk about sustainability.
Just wanted to welcome all of you here. This is the Arts and Entertainment District is a part of what we do, and we're just thrilled to have all of you creative people, and it could really help us liven up downtown.
The main goal of this was to get people to think twice about plastic and trash, or getting out in nature and what we're doing to the planet, or relationships that we have with our urban environment and how we work and live our day-to-day lives, as well as what's happening to the planet, and to create a culture of care and showing how we're all connected